A very good morning to all the students. I hope you all are safe, staying at home with your families, enjoying and doing your daily task regularly. I hope you are. Okay, so I am going to take English and the let's discuss the syllabus and the books. Okay, so you are having two books in your literature this time. First one is Beehive, which is a prose section, and the other one is Moments, which is your supplementary reader. Right? So these two books will be included in your literature part. For grammar, you're not having any separate book. I'll teach you separately. Okay, so these two books are there. Let's discuss about the chapters. In Beehive, you are having 11 chapters along with 10 poetries, and in your supplementary reader, you are having 10 chapters. Moments, right? You are having 10 chapters. So, these are the chapters which will be included in your literature part this time. Okay, so the ones who are having the books can take help from their books, but the ones who are not having the books, no need to worry at all. I'll provide you with the PDFs that you can download and then you can go through the chapters, right? So first of all, we are going to start with Moments, and the first chapter is The Lost Child. The Lost Child. The author of this chapter is Mulk Raj Anand. Right, so let's discuss about the author first. Mulk Raj Anand was an Indian writer in English notable for his depiction of the lives of the poorer castes in traditional Indian society. Right, so he always used to depict or show the lives of or the situations of poorer sections of the society. One of the pioneer of Indo-Anglian fiction, he was one of the first Indian based writers in English to gain an international readership, right? So he was the first Indian writer to gain international readership. He is admired for his novels and short stories, which have acquired the status of being classic works of modern English literature, noted for their perceptive insight into the lives of the oppressed. So his literature was based, I have already told you in the first line, his literature was always based on the insight. Insight means deeply studying something. Insight of the lives of the oppressed, their impoverishment, exploitation, and misfortune. And he was also a recipient of the civilian honor of the Padma Bhushan. So he also got Padma Bhushan. So he always used to, insight into the lives of the oppressed. Oppressed means the ones who are deprived, right? And their impoverishment, right? Impoverishment, it's like impoverishment means what all situations they used to face, right? Okay, and their exploitation, right? कैसे misuse होता था उनका, and their misfortunes, right? Okay, so this is all he used to discuss in his books, in his literature part. Okay, so let's talk about the theme of the chapter. In this chapter, the author deals with the child psychology in a sensitive way without shying away its reality. So in this, the author, that means Mulk Raj Anand, he deals with the child psychology. What is that? It is thinking without shying away. That means he also discussed the reality of the child. We too have grown up as an accepted part of our multicultural neighborhood in the world. We all know we are surrounded by a number of people from different cultures, from different castes, and Anand is at his strongest when writing about the child's classic confrontational relation. Confrontational, confront karna means किसी को face करना. Relationship with his world without parents. Because in this, since the name suggests the lost child, the child got lost. So how he faced that situation, that is what is discussed in this chapter. Young adult readers will be able to identify with the lost child's struggle to live within his family's ambit while trying to discover his own world outside. So, the struggle is being described. The struggle of that lost child is described. That how, being with his family, he was not able to fulfill his needs. Like he wanted to explore the outside world, but his parents weren't allowing him. He wanted to have some things, new things from the fair, but his parents were not allowing him to have those things, right? Okay, so this is what we are going to discuss in this chapter, right?